Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Twitch if you have forgotten it. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in twitch.tv and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Twitch website. Now from this website, you will find the login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Now in case you have forgotten your password, click on Trouble Logging In button underneath the password box. Then you will be asked to enter your email address or your phone number associated with your account. Just type in whichever credential you used to create your account and click on the Continue button. You might also be asked to enter your username. If you know your username, type in your username, otherwise click on I don't know my username. Then click on Send My Password Reset link and you will be asked to check your inbox. So simply check your inbox and you will find an email from Twitch which contains a link that will allow you to reset your password. Just click on the Reset Password button and now you will be taken into the page which will allow you to create a new password. Just type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation and then click on the Set Password button. Once you click on this, your password will immediately be updated and now you can click on the login button and use your newly set password along with your username to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.